Ever wondered why some YouTube videos skyrocket in views while others, seemingly just as good, barely make a dent? Frustrated with trying to crack the code of YouTube's mysterious algorithms? Struggling to optimize your content and reach your target audience? Well, you're not alone. These are common challenges faced by creators in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Enter TubeMagic, a game-changing tool that's been a well-kept secret of top YouTubers. TubeMagic was born out of necessity, designed to help creators focus on what they do best, creating content. It takes on the heavy lifting of optimizing videos with a secret weapon up its sleeve: artificial intelligence. TubeMagic is not just another tool. It's a powerhouse trained with data from numerous successful channels. It's learned the tricks of the trade, the patterns that lead to success, and the elements that spark virality. It simplifies the complex process of going viral, turning it into a manageable task. So, how does TubeMagic work its magic? It offers a suite of tools tailored to the needs of creators. It generates video ideas, crafts compelling titles, and even suggests tags and descriptions. All these elements are critical in making your video discoverable and enticing to click on. Imagine having a personal advisor, one who knows the ins and outs of YouTube, guiding you at every step of your content creation journey. That's what TubeMagic does. It's like having a seasoned YouTuber whispering in your ear, helping you make the right decisions that lead to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more success. TubeMagic doesn't just help with video optimization, it also assists with community posts. This often overlooked aspect of YouTube can significantly boost your channel's visibility and engagement. TubeMagic ensures you're not missing out on this opportunity. But don't just take our word for it. One creator who runs 12 YouTube channels swears by TubeMagic. They've invested over 6 figures into acquiring and improving TubeMagic. They've experimented with AI for creating YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags, and found that TubeMagic consistently outperforms their efforts. The impact on SEO, video rankings, and visibility has been undeniable. TubeMagic was created for creators like you. It's here to make your life easier, to let you focus on crafting engaging content while it takes care of the rest. So, why not give it a try? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. TubeMagic might just be the secret ingredient that propels your YouTube channel to new heights. Discover the magic of TubeMagic today.